Hi guys, and welcome back to Thumpstar. Today's video is one exclusively on our TSB110. This bike features a 110cc 4-stroke motor and a semi-automatic clutch design. Let's now have a closer look at some of the features and highlights that make the TSB110 one of our favourite motorcycles. So starting with the engine and transmission here on the TSB110. This is the FH 4-stroke motor, as we said, semi-automatic, centrifugal clutch, 4-speed transmission, and kickstart only on this model. TSB110 is fitted with the pipe bomb exhaust, that is a 38mm exhaust system, and the pipe bomb muffler with the removable baffle as well. As we have a look inside here, we can see carburation is taken care of with a 19mm carburetor. Here we have got an alloy rim with the rim lock, stainless steel spokes, and an 80/100 12-inch configuration. Other notable features are things like the removable storage box just behind the headlight there with the GoPro mount, also the rubberized throttle cover to protect any dirt and debris from getting into your throttle. Another one of the highlights of the version 5 range is the fully caged airbox that sits underneath the side panel there. So you've got yourself a fully functional oiled dual stage air filter with a cage behind it, just to give you that extra peace of mind. Wheelbase from axle to axle is 1230mm or 48.5 inches for those in Imperial. The seat height is at 750mm or 29.5 inches, and that's plus or minus 10mm depending on your shock adjustment. The weight of this bike is rated around approximately 90 kilos or 198 pounds. The fuel capacity is 3.4 litres or 0.9 of a gallon. If you are to buy this bike in the crate, you're looking at a 0.4 cubic metre sized package. Things like Deutsch plug connections, as we can see here, and upgraded fully waterproof switches and wiring. Also got things like full-sized motocross pegs just to make sure that your feet aren't slipping off those items while you're out there and riding. The front wheel features a alloy rim and a 70/100 14-inch size. A nice touch there, we can also see the Thumpstar disc brake protector just to help you look after your front disc brake. Our way to the front end here, we can see the VS1 inverted forks, 700mm of length and 45mm of diameter. Front brakes feature a 190mm disc with a HSK single piston, and as we always have on our Thumpstar bikes, the braided steel brake lines for extra feel and longer service life. You can see the rear shock absorber and the rear suspension linkage. The VS1 linkage has a adjustable shock, so that will give you a length of 330mm plus or minus 10mm, and we can see there the second hole, which will give you that extra level of adjustment. The MX Steez handlebars, which are a very nice part indeed. So is a 20mm unit. We have hollowed this out and strengthened it so that it weighs the same amount as a 15mm axle, however giving you the strength of that larger unit. Wheel drive features a PSC 6-bolt sprocket with a 428 pitch heavy duty chain. And we can also see here the 3-bolt chain slider, which has been designed for added strength and durability. In all of our version 5 range, we have got the pipe bomb DW1 exhaust system, and that is a 38mm exhaust system. We can see here the pipe bomb exhaust on the rear, which has a removable baffle should you like to reduce your noise output. So ladies and gentlemen, thanks for watching this short video on the TSB110 Thumpstar. As we like to mention, thumpstar.com.au is the site to go to for all the other information on this model, plus much, much more. And as always, happy riding, and thanks for watching.